Hi everybody, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing side-by-side comparisons of a lot of the skin products that I have. In particular, I'm talking about the glow products, hydrating skin tints, CC creams, and tinted moisturizers. I've tried all these products alone. I love them. I feel like they all look fantastic on my skin, but I was like, they're so similar. Let me do a side-by-side to see how they measure up against one another. And I think this will help me moving forward figure out what I need to repurchase and what I don't ever need to get again. If you're interested in seeing something like this, then please continue to watch. Okay, so I finally calmed down. About 3 minutes ago, I was blood red. I got so hot. You guys, I have a bag of ice down my shirt. And sometimes I pull it out and put it on my neck or behind my neck. My hot flashes are back with a vengeance. I mean, I felt like they kind of subsided for a little while, but now they are back and they are killer. I am ready to get going finally. I'm going to be comparing glow products first. I'm going to be using the Versed Mood Glow Lightning Drops and L'Oreal's True Match Lumi Glotion. These products are very similar in that they do not provide maximum coverage. They are buildable, but you are not going to cover up your skin completely. They both give you that kind of strobe look, that luminescent glow to the skin. You can mix these products with your foundation, and they're extremely lightweight. And again, I feel like with these products, you can see through to the skin very well. So on the right side, I'm going to be using the Versed product, and on the left side, L'Oreal's Lumi Glotion. I had already used a little drop like this on my middle finger on my forehead, and now I'm going to go ahead and just put the rest on my cheek. And I'm actually, this time I'm going to put this on my eyelid and beneath my eye, because I want to, really do a major comparison to how it's going to look. Now I'm ready to do the other side using the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. Here's the thing. This is a lot more dense. It's a lot richer. It's not as liquidy as the Versed product. I look like the Tin Man. Can you guys see that? That is majorly glowy. I don't know if it's translating the same way for you guys, but when I'm looking in the camera, it looks like this side is insanely vibrant. Okay, I'm starting to flash again. So the ice is going back down the shirt. Forgive me. In my opinion, I think the left side, this is the L'Oreal side, is a lot more intense than the Versed side. So if I were to wear this product again, this one, I would definitely wear it alone on my face without any worries. Next two products that I'm going to compare are the hydrating skin tints. The reason why I'm putting these two together is because they're not foundations, but they definitely give you a lot more coverage than your glow products. On my left side, I'm going to use the Neutrogena, and on my right side, the Milani Glow. Nice thing about this is I have the little wand, so I can make this line of demarcation here. And I want to make sure that I use about the same amount on each side. I'm going to do the Milani Glow. I hope I use about the same amount. I have to say, I like the Milani Glow side a lot more than the Neutrogena. First of all, I feel like this is looking a lot more orangey. I don't know if it appears that way to you guys, but when I look at the little screen here on the side, this looks a little pumpkin-y, like it's not really matching my skin. They both have nice glow. I'll give them both that. The Neutrogena was sitting on top of like some dry patches, and I didn't realize that it hadn't been smoothed in all that well. And so this one was definitely a lot easier to smooth in all over my face. But do you guys see what I'm talking about as far as the difference in one side looking more orange than the other? Milani, Neutrogena. So definitely going forward, I will be sticking with this. The last two products that are the NARS Tinted Moisturizer and the Revolution Pro Skin Perfection CC Skin Tint. So I'm going to just give this a little shake first. I'm going to be doing NARS on my left side and the Revolution Pro on my right side. This is the NARS. I did use a lot of this. Whoa. The NARS side is fully on. Now to the Revolution Pro, and I'm gonna have to use a generous amount, but here's the weird thing. Let me just show this to you first. This comes out as a whitish beige color, not even beige, a whitish gray color, and when it gets onto the skin, then it transforms to match your skin tone. So let me just put a little of this on. Whoa, that's a lot too. NARS side, Pro Revolution, I have to say, I can't make a decision. I like these both. I think the coverage is great. You can still see my skin, but it definitely evened out my complexion. I think a lot better than the last two products, which is weird because those were more like foundations, I think. Feels lovely on the skin. I feel like it gives me a nice luminosity. Hopefully that's picking up because there's yet another cloud blocking the sun. These are definitely in the top two, and I don't know that I would say one was better than the other. I like the way they both look. Tell me if you see a difference, if you think they look any different. I do not, so that's remarkable. So then the next level of products that I would say that I'd like are the Milani Glow and the Versed Mood Glow Drops. And then on the bottom would be the Neutrogena Moisturizing or Hydro Boost Skin Tint and the Lumi. Although the Lumi I think is lovely if you're going to mix it with a foundation or mix it with something that's more matte or doesn't have any luminescence on its own, because it will definitely help bring about that glow to the skin. So yeah, I like these products a lot. Pro Revolution and the NARS. As always, thank you for coming back to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.